Developing a millionaire mindset is a concept that many people have heard of, but few truly understand. The idea is that by adopting the thought patterns and behaviors of successful people, you can achieve the same level of financial success. But what does it really mean to have a millionaire mindset? And how can you develop one for yourself? In this video, we will explore the key characteristics of a millionaire mindset, as well as actionable steps you can take to start developing one today. From setting clear goals and taking calculated risks to embracing failure and surrounding yourself with positive influences, we will delve into the habits and practices that can help transform your mindset and propel you towards success. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or simply someone looking to improve your financial outlook, developing a millionaire mindset can provide you with the tools and mindset necessary to achieve your goals. So, let's get started on this journey towards financial freedom and learn how to develop a millionaire mindset. 1. Focus on your goals. To achieve success, it's important to have a clear understanding of your goals. Whether it's financial growth, personal well-being, or career aspirations, keeping your goals in mind is crucial to reaching them. Developing a habit of regularly thinking about your desired outcomes can help keep you focused and motivated. It's recommended to write your goals down and keep them in a visible place to serve as a constant reminder. Consistency is key, as forming a habit can take up to 66 days on average. So, take the time to reflect on your goals and commit to pursuing them with diligence and determination. 2. Get comfortable with always learning. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, it is of utmost importance to get comfortable with always learning. Whether it is in our personal or professional lives, it is essential to keep an open mind and be willing to try new things. Adapting to new changes and switching up strategies can help us achieve our objectives more effectively. We should also strive to learn small skills every day and take pride in our progress. Constantly pushing ourselves to learn and grow not only helps us develop new skills, but also improves our overall mindset and attitude towards life. By embracing a lifelong learning approach, we can stay ahead of the curve and thrive in today's dynamic and competitive environment. 3. Put yourself out there. In order to achieve one's goals and aspirations, it is imperative to put oneself out there. This involves actively networking and paying close attention to how one presents themselves in various social situations. Confidence and passion are key attributes that individuals should exhibit, particularly when pitching a business idea or discussing personal goals. Bold, passionate, and courageous individuals are often recognized and remembered for their drive and determination. Networking provides an excellent opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who share similar aspirations, while making friends at work can foster a sense of camaraderie and increase employee engagement. Ultimately, stepping outside one's comfort zone is essential to achieving success both professionally and personally. 4. Be patient. We understand that the path to success is seldom straightforward. However, it's important to keep in mind that success is not an overnight achievement. Patience is key when it comes to personal growth and development. It's easy to become frustrated when progress seems slow, but it's important to remain focused on your ultimate goals. Remember, good things take time, and perseverance is the key to achieving long-term success. Don't be afraid to adjust your expectations and timelines, and always stay committed to the process. With patience and consistency, you can achieve your desired outcomes and thrive both personally and professionally. 5. Accept mistakes as they come. One of the key principles of personal and professional growth is the acceptance of mistakes as they come. It is essential to understand that making mistakes is not the end of the world, but an opportunity to learn and grow. Instead of fearing mistakes, we should embrace them and learn from them. However, it is crucial to distinguish between careless errors and mistakes that present learning opportunities. By reflecting on our mistakes, we can identify areas of improvement and develop new skills for the future. Therefore, it is essential to accept mistakes as a part of the learning process and use them to improve ourselves and our teams. 6. Don't forget about sleep. In order to perform at our highest level, it is essential that we prioritize getting adequate sleep. Although we all have busy schedules, taking the time to rest our minds and bodies is crucial for optimal productivity. It can be tempting to work long hours and sacrifice sleep, but this is ultimately counterproductive. In fact, pushing ourselves too hard can lead to exhaustion and decreased efficiency. When faced with a choice between staying up late to finish tasks or getting enough rest, it is important to make the mindful decision to prioritize sleep. By doing so, we can approach each day with renewed energy and focus, ultimately achieving greater success in our endeavors. 7. Keep growth in mind. Maintaining a growth mindset is a fundamental aspect of achieving both personal and professional success. The journey towards achieving one's goals is often filled with challenges and obstacles, but it is important to remain focused on the end goal while reflecting on the progress made. Reviewing progress allows for a sense of accomplishment and renewed motivation to continue pushing forward. It is important to remember that growth takes time and consistent effort. Dividing long-term goals into smaller tasks can make the progress feel more tangible and manageable. As you reflect on your growth, take pride in the hard work and dedication that has been invested in achieving your goals. 8. Stop making excuses for yourself. In order to achieve our goals, it is important to stop making excuses for ourselves. Excuses can hold us back from pushing forward and reaching our full potential. Instead of blaming our setbacks on external factors or complaining, we should try to address the problems at hand by utilizing time-tested problem-solving techniques. It is important to work with a trusted coach or mentor to identify what is holding us back and focus on making behavior changes to create the necessary change. Whether it means asking for help, changing our approach, or taking a break, we must remember that allowing our excuses to consume us is the worst thing we can do. Let us take responsibility for our actions and work towards achieving our goals without hesitation. 9. Learn to invest. Investing is a critical component of financial success, and learning to invest wisely is a key factor in building wealth. The secret of successful investors is to prioritize financial wellness by setting clear goals and focusing on investing rather than spending. A smart investor understands that taking calculated risks is an essential part of growing their portfolio, and they do their due diligence by conducting thorough research and seeking advice from experienced business leaders. By approaching investments with confidence and a strategic mindset, individuals can make informed decisions that result in significant returns. Ultimately, learning to invest is an essential skill for achieving financial freedom and long-term prosperity. 10. Adopt a now mentality. Adopting a now mentality is a key habit of wealthy individuals. While patience is important, jumping at new opportunities can lead to significant financial gains. While some opportunities may result in temporary losses, there are also many revenue-based opportunities available, such as speaking engagements and volunteering with startups. By actively seeking out new experiences and making connections, individuals can increase their chances of personal and professional growth. This requires a proactive and opportunistic approach to life, with a willingness to take risks and embrace change. Adopting a now mentality can provide a significant boost to your career and financial success. In conclusion, developing a millionaire mindset is a journey that requires discipline, persistence, and a willingness to take risks. It is about having a clear vision of what you want to achieve, creating a plan to get there, and taking consistent action towards your goals. By adopting the mindset of successful entrepreneurs and leaders, you can overcome obstacles, learn from failures, and ultimately achieve financial success. Remember that developing a millionaire mindset is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about achieving personal growth and making a positive impact in the world. With the right mindset, anything is possible. Thank you for being part of this community and for joining us on this exciting journey of growth and learning. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next content. Remember that wisdom is found in life's lessons and how we apply them in our day-to-day lives. See you in the next video. See you soon.